Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Chabla. I make these videos from the content provided by dietitian Shipra Sehgal, who is masters in nutrition. I want to thank you for watching first video in this series, which was food to lose weight. If you have missed it, you can find link in the bottom. So in this video I'm going to tell you about first food item which we have chosen for weight loss, and it is turmeric. Turmeric is a brilliant yellow orange spice that adds color to curry. Also has numerous health benefits. Turmeric is primary antioxidant in the spices. It is also an anti-inflammatory that's been used for centuries in medicine. Turmeric also offers promise in helping you deal with obesity and its related metabolic disorders. While increasing your intake of turmeric is not alone strategy for weight loss, it may help you reduce the inflammation associated with obesity and give you a boost in fat burning. Turmeric can help detoxify the liver and protect cell damage caused due to environmental pollutants, attack from free radicals, etc. Research has found that turmeric extracts can lower blood cholesterol levels, especially LDL, or commonly known as bad cholesterol. It has lipid lowering properties. This can reduce cholesterol levels and benefit weight loss by reducing adipose tissue weight gain. Research demonstrates that turmeric could stop fat tissue spread. So, how to take turmeric? The daily dosage of standardized curcumin powder is 400 to 600 mg thrice daily. Curcumin is a chemical contained within turmeric. It is best to use turmeric as part of diet along with black pepper. In order to make the most of turmeric, you must take it with a bit of fat. You can take benefit of turmeric by consuming it with coconut or olive oil or black pepper. So, first way you can take turmeric is turmeric tea. As you acquire a taste of turmeric tea, you may find you can tolerate and enjoy increasing the amount of turmeric you use. So, how to make a turmeric tea? You can add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, pinch of clove, tablespoon of fresh ginger, pinch of fresh ground black pepper. Turmeric as you can handle, you can start with a teaspoon and go up from there. 1 or 2 cups of water, raw honey to sweeten, coconut milk. Black pepper and coconut milk aids in the absorption of curcumin. So, second best way to take turmeric is stir it into olive oil and then toss in fresh vegetables or salads as a topping. Third way to take it is you can sprinkle some of turmeric on an avocado. You can also make turmeric smoothie. Ingredients for that is 1 cup of water, half ripe avocado, half cup fresh or frozen blueberries, half tablespoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon ginger, half tablespoon honey. The add-ons could be flax or chia seeds, spinach, or other leafy greens. So, when and how you should take curcumin? Since fasting improves curcumin absorption, it is a good idea to take it before meal or at least 3 hours after you have eaten. Taking it before bedtime though might cause sleep disturbances. You might have to monitor your sleep pattern when taking curcumin at night. I will also suggest you few precautions. Turmeric is safe to consume as a food, but taken in excess, turmeric supplements could cause nausea, diarrhea, dizziness, etc. Also, in case of any confusion, please consult your doctor. Thank you for watching this video. If you have missed earlier videos or if you don't want to miss upcoming videos, please subscribe to our channel. Once again, thanking you. Think health, someone needs you.